If you have a small blister, you don't need to do much to treat it. Wash the area regularly with soap and water and leave it uncovered so it can get plenty of fresh air while it heals. If the blister is in a vulnerable area, like your hand or the bottom of your foot, cover it with a loose bandage to protect it while you're doing activities that could cause it to pop. It should heal up on its own in a few days. Big blisters may need a little more attention. If the blister pops, clean the area with soap and water and gently press on the blister to drain it. Leave the flap of skin in place to help protect the new skin that is growing underneath. Apply an antibiotic ointment to the drained blister, such as polymoxin B or bacitracin, and cover the blister with an adhesive bandage. Change the bandage once a day, or any time it gets wet or dirty. If your blister is very large or painful, or if you think it might be infected, see a doctor for advice. Signs of infection in a blister include redness, itching, swelling, or pus at the site of the wound. It might also feel hot to the touch. Red streaks leading away from the blister can be a sign of a serious infection. If the infection spreads, you might also develop a fever or feel unwell. Get medical attention right away if you notice any of these symptoms.